How to reset your Pocket Option password. Are you logged out of the Pocket Option account or just forgotten your password? Don't worry, resetting your password is super quick and simple. First, go ahead and open up the Pocket Option app or website, and in the login area, click on Sign In. Now, once you end up in the login page, click on Password Recovery. Go ahead and enter your email address on the next page. Write down your email associated with Pocket Option and click on Restore. Now, go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. You'll receive an email from Pocket Option. Click it open. Now, you'll see a 4-digit code. Copy that. Get back to Pocket Option app and enter the confirmation code in the first box. On the next field, write down the new password you want to change to. Finally, click Send. And now you have successfully reset your password. Next time while signing in, enter your newly updated password and you'll be able to get access to your account back again. So that's it. Resetting your password when you've forgotten it is super quick and easy and takes a few minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.